Good day. My name is Dr. Sharifah Sakinah Syed Ahmad from the Faculty of Artificial Intelligence and Cybersecurity at University Technical Malaysia, Melaka. As an educator and researcher, I believe that advancing AI is not only about developing more powerful technology, it is also ensuring that the technology is inclusive, responsible, and beneficial for society. In this presentation, I will explain why women must be involved in AI, how I would like to improve society, understanding of AI, and how I practice the value represented by women in women bring different experience, perspective, and approaches to problem solving. First, diverse experience help us recognize needs and risks that may otherwise be overlooked. Second, broader perspective support more inclusive design help us to develop systems that work for people from different backgrounds. Third, diverse teams are more likely to question assumptions and recognize possible bias in data, algorithm, and AI generated decisions. Therefore, diversity is not simply about fulfilling a representation target. It can improve the relevant creativity and responsibility of AI solutions. However, being present is not enough. Women must also have opportunity to lead. Women should be involved at every level of AI ecosystem. They should be the creator who design and develop AI solutions. They should be a decision makers who determine which problem should be addressed, what data should be used, and how system should be evaluated. They should also be leader who influence organizational strategies, ethical standard, and public policy. Finally, women can inspire the next generation when girl and young women see female researcher, educators, and technology leader begin believe that these opportunities are also possible for them. Women should not only participate in the AI conversation, they should help lead it. Greater participation must be accompanied by a healthier public understanding of AI. The difference I would like to make is to help society develop a more balanced and understanding of AI. I want to see people. I want people to see AI as a tool that extend human capability, not as a something that remove human values. AI can also be a partners that support people in making better decisions. However, people must retain judgment, empathy, and accountability. We should understand it, evaluate it, and use it responsibly. This leads to the type of AI that I believe society truly needs. The AI society needs must be human-centered. Okay? It should support people while protecting dignity, fairness, privacy, and security. We should not ask only what can AI do. We must also ask, should it be used in these situations? Who will be benefit and who will be responsible? I try to put this principle into practice through my working in education and engagement. As an educator and researcher, one of my main contribution is making AI and data science more accessible. Through education, I provide hands-on learning that helps students connect technical knowledge with practical applications. Through research, I encourage the development of responsible solutions for real challenges. I want learners to see that AI is not something reserved for experts. With right guidance and opportunities, they can also contribute. These activities reflect the value that guide my involvement in women in AI. I seek to practice the value of women in AI through my daily work. Inclusion means creating opportunity for people from different backgrounds to participate. Empowerment means helping women and young people develop both technical skill and confidence to lead. Responsibility means considering the ethical and social consequence of AI. Collaborating means connecting university, industry, government agency, and community. Mentorships means supporting the learners and young researchers throughout their development. Leadership means encouraging women to accept visible role and participate in decision making. As finally, growth means continuing to learn while sharing knowledge with others. These values become meaningful only when we translate them into actions. I believe that values should be demonstrated through consistent actions. I mentor students and young researchers, especially when they are developing their confidence and professional directions. I encourage women. Principle is simple. As we progress, we should create opportunity for others to progress with us. This brings me to the future that I hope we can build together. My vision is an AI ecosystem where women are visible, valued, and empowered to lead. I want more girls and women to see AI as a field where they belong and where their idea can create meaningful chance. Women should be represented at every level, from education and research to innovation, entrepreneurship, policy, and leadership. Ultimately, my goal is not only to advance AI technology, it is to ensure that AI advances humanity by empowering more women to shape AI. We can develop technology that is more inclusive, responsible, and responsive to the need of society. Thank you.